This bridge replacement project utilized precast with all corrosion-resistant reinforcement to replace two bridges that are the only vehicular access and hurricane evacuation route for visitors and residents to the area.
This bridge was constructed with numerous precast components, all reinforced using FRP materials, providing a bridge with no corrosion-susceptible material. The bridge girders are reinforced with not only CFRP strand, but also GFRP stirrups.
These long spans and a higher vertical clearance help to create an improved navigable channel for recreational and commercial vessels. Additionally, pre-stressed concrete sheet piles were used around each of the end vents and approach roadway to help protect them from scour potential from hurricanes and other storm events, further increasing the resiliency of the structure.
The use of precast concrete piles contributed to efficiencies and speed. It helps with durability, it's less corrosive, and there's a lot of potential for this methodology to be widely adopted. This bridge utilizes glass fiber reinforced polymer bars and carbon fiber reinforced polymer pre-stressing strands.
An element of risk reduction is obvious in that this project was completed 10 months ahead of schedule. That reflects the contractor's ability to build the structure efficiently and safely. The choice of each project element and its material reflects a design for durability and efficiency in an aggressive environment.
This project is on the leading edge, and it provides proof points that may help authorities adopt these innovative design strategies.
Overall, this project demonstrates how precast can be used with GFRP reinforcement and CFRP strands to create a bridge with an increased service life and resiliency and decreased maintenance costs and construction windows.